Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360 exercises. Today let's just try out to make this model. The dimensions are given. The dimensions are 42 by 60. First we will make the flange and the extrusion is 20, 60, 40 and 20. Sketch on this plane. Draw a corner rectangle. Make the dimension. This one is 60. This one is 40. Click here, press pull and make this one 20. Next we will create this cutout. For that I will choose this face, sketch on it, add a rectangle like this and dimension it. The dimension is 40. This one is 40. And from here till here, this must be 10. I will say OK. Extrude this one and create a cutout. Or even you can select all. OK. See? Next I will add this extrusion. The extrusion is 55. I will choose this face, sketch on it, add a corner rectangle like this. The dimensions are given, which is 15 and the height is 55. This dimension is 15. And I will finish the sketch. Extrude, choose this region and select 55. Now we are ready. Next I will create the front cutout and the bottom cutout. I will choose this face, sketch on it, add a circle, click on dimension, and the whole diameter is 20. This diameter is 20. From here till here, this is 30. Okay, and from here till here, this one should be 22.5. and I will say OK. Hole, choose this, drag it and create a cutout. For the next hole I will choose this face, sketch on it, add a circle. The diameter is 10 and it is at the middle. Click on dimension. This is 10. From here till here, this is 30. OK. And from here till here, this must be 15. OK. Extrude, choose this, drag it in the opposite direction and say OK. We have only this chamfer. For that we have the maximum distance 60 and that remaining distance 45. It's mean 15, so this chamfer I will apply 7.5. Modify, chamfer, choose this edge and select 7.5. If you want you can increase it up to 15 and say OK. Apply some appearance. This time I will apply the red. Close this for now and you have done. Thanks for watching. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel. Boom.